The Quick Connect breakaway test was conducted to receive Underwriters Laboratories UL qualification for connecting a manufactured flange system by Ductmate, Ward, or Nexus to a TDC or TDF fabricated flange system. Testing requires the damper to be installed in a UL-approved fire barrier. UL standards require the damper to be sized at 60 inches by 48 inches. We tested a multi-blade fire damper with our UL-approved single-side retaining angle installation. Two-sided retaining angle installations are qualified based upon single-side test. Ductmate was installed on the sleeve of the damper and TDC or TDF was installed on the ductwork. In the field, it does not matter which flange system is installed on the sleeve of the damper or the duct. The following 4 test variations were performed: Ductmate to TDC with VersaCleats, Ductmate to TDC with Tech screws, Ductmate to TDF with VersaCleats, Ductmate to TDF with Tech screws. All units were tested with butyl gasket. The test requires that a barrel be filled with sand, with the total weight of the barrel being 440 pounds. The barrel is then dropped from 10 feet above the ductwork. Under normal conditions, the impact of the barrel will cause the connection to break away from the damper. To pass UL qualification, the duct is required to not break away from the damper. The damper must remain in the wall after the impact and freely operate open and closed 3 times to gain UL approval. On July 27, 2005, Greenheck was the first manufacturer to pass the interchangeable connection test. The Quick Connect breakaway is available on fire, combination fire smoke, and smoke dampers.